Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Honor is going to launch tomorrow a new version of the Honor Band 5 and it's the Honor Band 5i. This smart band is similar to the Honor Band 5 but with few changes. So let's find out more about it. So here is the box of the Honor Band 5i. And guys, this variant is already available in China and I got it from banggood.com and it will be the same variant which is getting launched here tomorrow. So in the front of the box we have the picture of the band itself and here we have the model name and the highlighted feature which is plug and charge. At the back we have some more features such as stylish watch faces, plug and charge, sleep tracking, heart rate monitoring, 9 workout modes, 50-meter water resistant, and you get the smart notifications for calls and messages. So let's open the box and see the content now. So first we get this warranty card and then here we have the quick start guide which has the info on different functions of this fitness tracker. And then here we have the smart band itself. And yes, there is no charger in the package and as you can see here that you can remove the strap like this and plug it in directly for charging. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smart band closely. Honor Band 5i is very similar looking to the Honor Band 5. However, there are few changes if you look closely. First is the screen. In the Honor Band 5i, you get slightly bigger 0.96 inch screen as compared to the 0.95 inches in the Honor Band 5. But the main difference is the screen type. In the regular Honor Band 5, we get the AMOLED touchscreen and here in the Honor Band 5i, we get the TFT display with the lower screen resolution. The strap is also slightly different in style, but overall quality of both the straps and the smart band itself is really good. Apart from that, in other changes, you have 91 mAh battery as compared to the 100 mAh battery in the Honor Band 5. Both are 50-meter water resistant and in the Honor Band 5i, you get the 3-axis inertial sensor as compared to the 6-axis inertial sensor in the Honor Band 5. But the main change in this variant, of course the pricing will be less and it will be cheaper than the regular version, and also in this you have a plug and charge option and you can remove the strap with this button like this and then plug it in directly to any USB port. In terms of features, you would be using the same app which is the Huawei Health. And the pairing process is really simple. Just go to the add device section and that's it. In terms of features on the smart band, you have the same navigation gestures where you swipe up and down to go through different menu and then swipe right from the middle to go back one step. There is also a capacitive button here at the bottom to take you back to the main screen. Now talking about the features, so first you have the watch face which you can also change by long pressing on the screen. And in this, you only get 3 watch faces and there is no option of adding more as of now. Now looking at the menu, so first you have the pedometer which shows your current day step counts, burned calories and distance traveled. And then we have the heart rate option which is also accurate like the Honor Band 5 and you can also use the continuous heart rate monitoring in this. Like the Honor Band 5, you also get the SpO2 monitoring in this variant. And then we have the sleep tracking which will show you your last night's sleep data. After that we have the workout menu where you have total 9 workout modes. And then we have the more menu where you have settings of the smart band such as brightness, screen on time, watch faces and so on. So in terms of menu, it's also similar with the same icon style like the Honor Band 5. About the companion app, I will just cover the settings part. So in the device settings, you can turn on notifications for calls and messages. And here is how you get the call notification. You can silent the call as well as reject the call from the band itself. Now let me show you the message notifications. There is no option of preset replies in this as well. Apart from that, in the app you can also enable true sleep tracking feature which I highly recommend as Honor bands are the best when it comes to sleep tracking. And also from the settings, you can enable the continuous heart rate monitoring, but this will reduce the battery life. Now talking more about the battery backup, this smart band comes with a 91 mAh battery, but you will get approximately 10 days of battery backup, which is less as compared to the 15 days of battery backup from the Honor Band 5. The charging time is approximately 1.5 hours and thanks to the quick plug and charge, you can charge it anywhere without the need of any separate charging dock. So overall Honor Band 5i is the stripped down version of the Honor Band 5. Design, quality is almost same which is actually very good, but you're missing features like AMOLED touchscreen and you'll be getting almost half battery backup from this variant. But if you're on a budget or looking for your first fitness tracker, then the Honor Band 5i will be a very good option. In China, this variant was launched for 159 RMB, which is approximately 1600 rupees. So let's see if Honor launches here at a similar price tag, then this will be a very good option. And if you don't mind the AMOLED touchscreen and slightly less battery backup, then for sure check it out. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one right now, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Honor Band 5i. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you would buy this over the Honor Band 5 in the comment section below. And guys, stay tuned for a detailed comparison between the Honor Band 5 and the 5i. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.